Hey, on this video we're going to take a look at these mini gift boxes. So they come in various colors. They're glossy and they're very sturdy, and you can put anything in it from jewelry to rings to watches to soaps. So they come with a clear transparent window, which is really awesome. I'm going to show you how to fold this, and stay tuned for the whole video.
So another great buy on Amazon. I got these little gift boxes and they have a little window. As you can see, they come in many different colors, which is awesome, but I got these as a wedding centerpiece. This is the package it comes in, and there's 99 of them. But yeah, there's many different colors to choose from. The material is nice, glossy, pretty durable. The window is in there very well. But I'm going to show you guys how to fold it. These two pieces go here, like this. You fold it inwards, and then you bring these two up, like this. Push this in, and pretty much lock it into place like this. There's little holes down at the bottom to push those little pieces in, and I thought that was neat. And then you just fold as so, or even like this. Right, make it even easier. Already fold it, and then you just lock it into place like anything else, right? Kind of just like a little box. And there you have it when it's closed. So I wanted to show you. Pretty easy, pretty sturdy. So that's that. So I'm going to show you what a watch would look like. And there you have it. You have a watch in there. So that's also a nice way to gift something. And like I said, 99 a box, so there's plenty. It can be used for businesses if you're selling bracelets that you make on your own or whatnot, and go from there. But I really like this product, and I'm glad I purchased it, and probably will again in the future.
And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.